Hi everyone, I'm Arun Malve and welcome back to Good Shoes. Today we are going to install a baby swing at the end of the pergola. To make sure it's safe and balanced, we prepare some sturdy wood, add support and finish with a smooth swing setup. Let's get started. So firstly, we're going to measure the 1.5 feet of the wood which is going to be installed on top of the pergola, and we're going to cut the wood into a small piece, adjust that, and then we're going to take another wood and cut it into two pieces equally so that it's going to have a support on the edge of the wood. We're going to color these pieces to match the pergola, let them dry for 1 hour and then install them. So we're going to drill some holes. Let's climb up the ladder and we're going to mark and drill the pilot holes. So once that's done, you will be able to see this, like there are marks which is being done, and we're going to drill through that to make the pilot holes. And then we're going to use like 2 inches outdoor screws to make the base extra sturdy for the swing. Let me drill through it. Once done, there is a piece which is left over, so I'm going to adjust that and drill through back. I need to cut the extra wood. Two screws so that it's really sturdy, so that the straps are sitting on top of that and it doesn't move. So it's like perfect. Add in the detail, the swing installation, the slots, it will be a smooth ride before hanging the swings. Inside the bag, we received two heavy-duty straps and two metal buckles. So let me change the angle. Two metal buckles, yeah. At the end of each strap, a round metal ring that makes it easy to hang and clip in the buckles. Take the ladder and take the support of the ladder and hang them properly. And the metal rings at the end. So I'm going to buckle that up so that it's going to stay there, and it's like a quick assemble. And we're going to clip the straps to the swing. So we're going to use this metal buckle, which is the end of the swing, and then attach it to the buckles of the straps, just like that. Once it's attached, you could be able to see that it's hang the craft wooden swing properly, and that's like click and easy and adjustable ropes, so you can adjust it depending upon the height. Our kid especially loves being able to touch her feet on the ground for support. She pushes herself gently, swings through the confidence, and enjoys every moment. So I need to adjust it as she likes. It looks just as good as we imagined. The swing feels secure, balanced, and fits beautifully at the pergola end. Let's capture the moments with my kid. My kid is super happy and can't stop smiling. You can really see the joy, and she swings back and forth. The natural wood blends so nicely with the pergola design. The little addition has turned our garden into a fun family spot. If this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Good Shoes. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.